Welcome students. Today I am going to discuss about 4th standard science subject. It's a continuous topic. Examples for plant fibers. Natural fibers has two types from plants and animals. For example, in plants, cotton, jute, coir, linen, and animal fibers, for example, wool, silk. Jute fiber. Jute is obtained from the stem of the jute plant. Jute fiber is obtained from the stem of the jute plant. Jute plant has long, soft and shiny fibers. It is also referred to as the golden fiber. Jute is a natural fiber, popularly known as the golden fiber. Jute fiber comes from the stem of the Herbaceous annual plant. Is called Quercus. The jute fiber comes from the stem and a ribbon. That means outer skin of the jute plant. The fibers are the first extracted by redding. The redding process consists of the bundling jute stems together and immersing them in slow running water. There are two types of redding, stem and a ribbon. Once again, jute fibers. Jute fibers are separated from the process of redding jute by hand and then they are dried. These are converted into yarns in the same manner as in the case of cotton. Next, uses of jute fiber. It is used for making bags, carpets, curtains and ropes. It is used for making cloths for wrapping bales of raw cotton and to make socks for storing grains. It is used for making wall hangings for decoration. Jute furniture. Besides piece of furniture made from other popular wood types, jute furniture is also favored by consumers all around the world. The furniture made from jute does not only look good but can also enhance the area of your living room or drawing room. Jute cloth. Jute cloth made by 100% jute fiber, laminated jute cloth, jute hessian fabric, rough jute products, hessian cloth, sackcloth, etc. These are the uses of jute fibers. During the Industrial Revolution, jute yarn largely replaced flax and hemp fibers in sackcloth. Today, sacking still makes up the bulk of manufactured jute products. Jute yarn and twins are also woven into the curtains, chairs, chair coverings, carpets, rugs. Jute is being used increasingly in rigid packaging and reinforced plastic and is replacing wood in bulk and paper. Geotextiles made from jute are biodegradable, flexible, absorb moisture and drain well. They are used to prevent soil erosion and landslides. Next, coir fiber. Coconut, two types, green husk, dry husk. Green husk, it will produce white coir, and white coir is a yarn, fishing nets. Brown coir is a doormats and mattress. Coir is a versatile natural fiber extracted from husk of the coconut fruit. The word coir comes from the Malayalam word kayar, which means to be twisted. Coir also called as golden fiber. Coir fibers are found between the hard internal shell and the outer coat of the coconut. Global annual production 350,000 metric tons. Coir fiber is a natural fiber extracted from the husk of coconut and used in products such as floor mats, doormats, brushes and mattresses. Coir is a fibrous material found between the hard internal shell and the outer coat of a coconut. Other uses of brown coir are in upholstery padding, seaking and horticulture. White coir harvested from unripe coconuts is used for making finer brushes, string, rope and fishing nets. These are the uses of coir fiber. It is used to make floor mats, doormats, brushes and mattresses. Okay students, I hope all are understood today's topic. Thank you for listening students.